Hi friends! So I am here with some new Gymshark. I just got this delivery in and it has some of the new Gymshark swimsuits inside. I honestly did not know if I was really hepped up and really down with these suits. They looked good on people, but then at the same time it's like, I don't know. So I was just like, I'll buy them, I'll see for myself. The Essence swimsuit, I was lucky enough to get my hands on the coral set. Right here she is, and I'm not gonna lie, this fabric is really, really soft. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like it on me, but we will see. This seems to be like a pretty tight waistband, which they are higher waisted, so you're definitely gonna want that to hold you in, obviously with swimming and everything, but at the same time, she could cut in, so that will be ultimate test. But then this little, the swim top, she is beautiful. Just a nice little scoop neck and then even lower scoop back. It has, I really am digging the emblems that they chose from Gymshark. It's just like a little gunmetal plate. I'm not going to remove the little sticky wrap in case I don't end up liking it. I'll keep those on there to send back. I can see that they do have cups in there. You can remove them if you don't like that. I will get to trying this on in a second. All right, and next up, I ended up ordering the Bliss bikini in black. Avi, you can see that. So starting off with the top, well, first of all, just to the touch, the material is definitely not as luxurious feeling as the Essence swimsuit. It just feels like your basic swim kind of top. What really drew me to this set, this little bikini set, was this mesh detailing on this top. I thought the top was just super flattering and really pretty on the girls that I saw it on. Honestly, I liked the top and I didn't really care for the bottoms. For some reason, I wasn't loving this mesh paneling on the leg. I don't know if it was the cut of the bikini bottom, if it needed to be a higher cut and then the mesh. Not quite sure, but I wasn't really loving it. But of course, I can't just not buy one thing. I have to have the set. So figured I'd see for myself. Again, it does have a pretty thick elastic waistband, so we shall see how I am down with that. I did end up getting this Bliss top in an extra small, just because I was thinking, might want to, give the girls a little more push up. So I bought it in an extra small, and also it has this little adjustable clasp in the back, or well, I guess, just kidding, it's not adjustable, it's just a little, one of those where it slides in and then it twists and it clasps. That's the type of back that is. Okay, and something that I was not expecting during this launch was another sleek sculpture, whatever this set is called, sleek sculpture, but in a dusty rose mauve color. Hello, that is my ultimate favorite color. This is my color. Oh my god, I had to buy it. I was scrolling, I saw the suit, I go click, click, next suit, click, click. I was just scrolling just to get to the bottom of the page, and boom, there these were. And I was just like, click, click, I need you. So I believe that these are still up on the site. They launched it in khaki, which is that olivey green color, beautiful, but I have too much for right now, so I did not opt in for that. And then also they launched it in the taupe color as well, which I'm sure is very, very pretty. But again, this dusty rose color is gorgeous. I just love this color though. All right, and here is the Bliss bikini in the black. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking it a little bit better than what I did from viewing on others. I will admit the top, I kind of wish that I would have gone with a regular small. This is an extra small. She just seems I am liking that she's given me the cleave because I don't have that otherwise, but at the same time, like, she just feels a little tight, like around this shoulder and neckline, because since it's not adjustable straps, I can't loosen it. Wish I would have gone with a small. Now the bikini bottoms, these fit really nice. Again, I will say, because the elastic waistband, it's not terribly cutting in, but she does a little bit. I'm always insane. I'm just like, I don't want my skin hanging over. But anyways, I do like how high-waisted it is. I feel like this high cut leg definitely, you know, gives you some more shape. And I'm not gonna lie, she's a little on the cheeky side, but she's not terrible. Like, she's still pretty covered. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel uncomfortable in this. These I definitely would feel fine going to like a water park around the Florida area because it's not too revealing. So yeah, this is really cute actually. I just have to decide if I like the top because it feels a little snug. Okay, and I am loving this one a lot more. I think first of all, I'm just usually a color gal, so I love this bright coral color. She is so soft. I want it, like, this material is just amazing. I wish the waistband didn't cut in as much. It's not terrible, but I just wish it was a tiny bit looser. I'm always scared to pop threads because you don't want it to just unravel then. So, starting on the bottoms, they fit lovely. I love the high leg because, again, it gives you more of that figure to show off. So I'm loving that about it. Again, she is a little more on the cheeky side of things, but I feel comfortable. I don't feel like I'm all like hanging out in a bad way. I think it's a nice, like, it sits right at that waistline. At least on my body type, it's like the perfect where it hits. Now, moving on to the top. The top is so soft, it's very comfy, but, I wish the armholes would like they would have maybe cut them a little bit deeper, that, or if it was like an adjustable strap somehow up here, because honestly, I ordered both of these in a small, and honestly, I just want this to sit down a little bit lower so it's not like cutting in at my armpit. This top is like cut a little bit wider, so I think it's supposed to help, you know, hide the barm is like what I like to call it. It's the boob and armpit fat that's right there that you need to move your arms. But yeah, it's nice because it's wider, but at the same time, because the armhole is on the smaller side, it feels like it like chops in a little bit. But I do think the scoop back is really pretty, and it's just real nice. I like it a lot. I honestly didn't know if I was gonna like this one because I was like, the bottoms look like they're a diaper on so many people. So I'm really happy that it doesn't look like a diaper on me. Again, I got a small in both. The top runs a little on the tight side. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I wanted to try to push up the girls, I would get 4 boobs because this like is like held tight to my skin. So you can maybe almost, I don't know, it's depending on how you like your stuff, especially swimsuits, it always varies, but I almost feel like I could have done a medium in this sports bra. Just, I think the style that it's cut, I think it would have fixed the problem with the armhole, and then it wouldn't be cutting in, but then it could be gaping and not supportive. But, I don't know. Okay guys, and I have a surprise. So this is not Gymshark, but I have been hearing so many good reviews about 437 swimwear, so I thought I'd just throw those in to the end of this Gymshark swim because I just got these in the mail as well, and holy cow, like, they are the most buttery, soft material in swimwear that I have ever felt, and I just am loving this suit, and I'm sure I'll love the next one that I'll put on for you too, but this is the first time I've put it on. So here it is. Okay, how stinking adorable is this one? Again, I love the nice high leg, high waistband. I love the fact that you can just tie this one up in the front. There's multiple different ways that they have it online showing that you can wear it. I probably would mostly wear it like this. So this is definitely not what my normal go-to is for suits, but you know, I want to like, you know, amp it up a little bit. You know, I'm just stepping outside my comfort zone, make me keep, you know, working in the gym a little bit harder. She real soft. All right, and lastly, this is the other one that I got from 437. I am in love with this bright teal color. I think it's beautiful. I'm not usually a bandeau type of gal, but to be quite honest, this one feels like it's actually going to stay the width that it is. Even though it's just a bandeau, I feel like, because there's no cups or anything like that in it, I feel like it's actually going to fit really, really nice. All right, y'all, and that is summing up the end of this Gymshark unboxing and little dose of 437 in the mix for you. I did not put on the sleek sculpture because y'all know how that looks like on me. I've done my other reviews. If you want to check it out, go to the birthday sale. You'll see the dusty blue on me, and then I also have a review up of the coral already. But I absolutely love that dust rose color, and I can't wait to wear it. It's going to be magic. If you enjoyed this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. If you liked the suits, leave me a comment below, maybe which one's your favorite, because I'm still trying to decide whether or not I really, really love the Gymshark ones. But anyways, let me know what your thoughts are. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell. That way you always stay notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you later. Bye!